Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and if you're new, you're more than welcome to BBT Recipes. So my name is Benita and I'm a content creator. I share recipes, stories and so many more on my blog as well as on YouTube. So basically I'm a fiction writer, food and lifestyle blogger. So if you'd like to know more of the things that I do, I'll put a link in the description box to my blog so that you can check that out. Alright, so today we're going to be making a simple banana bread, like a very simple banana bread, not too many ingredients, very simple banana bread. And if you'd like to see how to achieve that, then please keep on watching. Don't forget that all the recipes, all the detailed recipes will be listed in my description box below, so you can check that out. I'll put the link there for you to check the recipes on my blog. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this simple banana bread, then please keep on watching. Thank you. Okay, so to begin, we're going to be preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 177 degrees Celsius. And these are just the things that we're going to be needing today. So that's baking powder, baking soda, and salt. That's all-purpose flour. That's granulated sugar. That's egg. That's melted butter. That's pure vanilla extract. And of course our bananas. And spoon to mix all our yumminess together. Okay, the very first step is to mash our bananas, and here I used about 3 bananas like you saw previously, and I'm just going to mash them. Now let me give you a tip. It is better to use overripe bananas, like bananas that are very ripe, and as many bananas as you can get, because it just makes your banana bread even more delicious. Okay, followed by 1 egg. 5 tablespoons of melted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or banana extract, and then mix all together. Now it's time to add our powdered ingredients, and so this is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, one teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and salt. So mix all together and try not to overmix your batter, guys. And then pour in the batter into a lightly greased pan. You can grease with margarine or vegetable oil. And then just shake and try to even the surface. And that's it, guys. So place in the oven for 35 to 55 minutes or until inserted toothpick comes out clean. That's when you know that the banana bread is ready to munch. So enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's free, guys. It's free. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay?